Hi guys, this is Atco. Well, I'm now on the part 4 of my Westinghouse 504 radio. This will be the last that I need to close this radio up. Now what we've seen in part 1, 2, and 3 is where I picked up an old radio at a Hamfest for $3. Needed a lot of work. And that's the one I decided to try as my first radio restoration. Had the tubes tested, 3 out of 5 had to be replaced. I got all the capacitors replaced, and I found some problems inside that I had to fix, which was all covered during the 3 parts of the Westinghouse. So what we've got now, equipment is working, but the cabinet is in pretty bad shape. So what this part 4 will be, what I did to resurface the radio and make it look good again. So I made a lot of pictures and some video during the different things I did as I was working on the cabinet, and I compressed all that into about 3 minutes. So we'll play through that, and then at the end I'll have a little test and show you how it looks completely finished. And I'd like to hear what you guys have to say about that. Alright guys, so let's look at the video at this point of restoring the cabinet. Okay guys, radio's all ready to roll. Let's turn it on. Warming up. I'm going to just go through the band and tune a little bit just to show that everything's working. I can't really pick up much where I'm at, and there's hardly a little music that's here, so we'll just go through this so I can finish this video. So let's just see what we can find out with this thing.
Now got his position out there at the coaching box at third base. Wayne Kirby likewise out there behind first. Right for ball one. And there's no question Phil Hughes has
details in basketball, football.
Okay guys, so as you can see, it's ready to roll. So, hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed it myself. I had a lot of fun putting this radio together, and I may do another one. For now, this is Atco, signing off.